Hello everybody. In this video we are going to learn two very easy and simple commands, and these two commands are the head and tail commands. So on my desktop I have a file 100 here, and in this file it contains all the numbers from 1 to 100 as the name of the file suggests, and all the numbers are separated by a new line. And you might be wondering if I spend like 2 or 3 minutes of my time writing all these numbers myself. And the truth is, no, I did not. I used a for loop on my command line to generate all these numbers automatically. So here I will show you how I can create a file called 1000, and this file will contain 1000 numbers from 1 to 1000. And as you can see here, this file contains all the numbers from 1 up to 1000. Of course, I will not show you how I did this, because this is just like I'm showing you guys this to make you hungry for more, and to show you that Linux command line is very powerful and you can use it to automate tasks and stuff. So I'll explain how to create this for loop in a much later video. But for now, you just know that the Linux command line is so powerful. Okay, back to our commands head and tail. So I created these two files actually for a reason, not just to show off the powerfulness of the command line. So as you can see, this file here has all the numbers from 1 to 100, and this file contains all the numbers from 1 to 1000. Okay, awesome. There is a command named head, or called head, and this command you can use it to only view, by default it will view the first 10 lines of your text file. So if I just say head and 1000, this will show me the first 10 lines of my file 1000, right? And you can actually use the option -n to specify the number of lines. So by default it will show you the first 10 lines of your file. But you can change this by using the -n option. So for example, here I will say -n space 20, and this will show me the first 20 line. I can say head -n 30, and this will show me the first 30 line, etc. And the opposite of the head command is the tail command. This will show me the last 10 lines of my file. So if I type tail 100, this will show me the last 10 numbers. If I type tail -n 20 100, this will show me the last 20 lines in my file 100. And same for my file 1000. So if I say tail -50, -n 50 1000, this will show me the last 50 lines of my file 1000. Okay, so that's very easy commands, right? Head, by default it will show you the first 10 lines of your file, and head -n, and then here you specify the number. This will show you the first 20, and the tail is the opposite of this, right? And so by default also the tail will show you the last 10 line, but you can also use the option tail -n, and here you specify the number of lines that you want to show at the end of your file. So yeah, those are very easy commands, but I love them actually, and you'll see that you might there are situations that you might need to use head and tail commands. Like sometimes you're not interested to read the beginning of a file, you're only interested in the last 2 or 3 lines, and the same thing for the head commands. And actually you can just use for example, less than 10 lines. So if you say head-n4 and then 100, this will only show you the first 4 lines, and you can also use it like just for first 2 lines or even for the first 1 line. What happened if we just say 0? I actually didn't try it before. 0 will not show you anything. Makes sense, right? Same for the tail command. So tail 300, it will show you the last 3 numbers, and tail -2 -n200 will show you the last 2 lines, and tail -n1 tail -n0, as you can see. Okay, just have fun with these 2 commands and just take a break, I guess. We learned so much so far, and it's time to get like a cup of tea, and yeah, just take a break. Ciao.